Jack, can I ask you something?
Of course, Sophia. What's on your mind?
I feel really frustrated when I try to talk about my daily routine in English.
Frustrated? Why?
Every time I start describing my day, my mind just freezes. I say one sentence, then I stop. I can't continue.
That's very normal, especially when you are learning a new language.
But it feels embarrassing. I know my routine very well in my head, but I can't explain it in English.
Don't worry. Many learners have the same problem.
Really?
Yes, talking about your daily routine is actually one of the most important skills in learning English.
Why is it so important?
Because your routine is something you live every day. You already know the ideas. You just need the words.
That makes sense. But when I try to speak, everything disappears.
Let's slow down. You don't need long sentences. Simple sentences are enough.
Simple sentences?
Yes. For example, I wake up at 7. That's it.
Okay. I wake up at 7.
Good. Then you add another sentence. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
See? 2 sentences already.
But when I try to talk for longer, I panic.
That's because you're trying to be perfect.
Maybe. I always think about grammar.
Forget grammar at the beginning. Focus on meaning.
So, it's okay to make mistakes?
It's more than okay. Mistakes help you learn faster.
I never thought about it that way.
Let me ask you something. What do you do after you wake up?
I wake up, then I check my phone.
Great sentence.
Really?
Yes. Now say it again slowly.
I wake up, then I check my phone.
Perfect. What's next?
I get out of bed and go to the bathroom.
Excellent. You're doing great.
I am?
Yes. You just described part of your routine.
But it feels very basic.
Basic is good. Basic is strong.
I like that.
Now tell me, what do you usually do in the morning?
I usually make coffee and eat breakfast.
Nice. You used usually. That's very good for routines.
I hear that word a lot.
Exactly. Words like usually, always, sometimes, and never are very useful.
So I can say, I usually eat breakfast at home.
Yes, that's a great sentence.
Okay. I'm starting to feel more confident.
That's because you're talking about your life.
But what if I stop again and don't know what to say?
That's okay. You can pause. Silence is not a problem.
I always think silence is bad.
No, silence means you're thinking.
I like that idea.
Let's continue. What do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I get dressed and go to work.
Very clear. Where do you work?
I work in an office.
Good. And what time do you start work?
I start work at 9.
See? You're explaining your routine step by step.
I never noticed that before.
That's why practicing daily routines is so helpful.
How does it help me learn English faster?
Because you repeat the same ideas every day, but with better words each time.
So repetition is good?
Very good. Repetition builds confidence and fluency.
What about the afternoon?
Tell me, what do you usually do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I work, answer emails, and talk to my coworkers.
Great list.
Sometimes I feel tired in the afternoon.
That's another good sentence. Feelings are part of your routine too.
I didn't think about that.
You can say, I feel tired, or I drink coffee.
I drink coffee in the afternoon.
Perfect.
What about the evening?
You tell me.
In the evening, I go home and relax.
Nice and simple.
I usually watch TV or read.
Excellent use of usually.
Jack, I'm surprised. I'm speaking more than I expected.
Because you stopped judging yourself.
You're right. I feel calmer now.
That's very important when learning a language.
So, talking about my daily routine helps me express myself better?
Yes, it helps you organize your thoughts and speak faster.
Even with simple words?
Especially with simple words.
What should I do if I forget a word?
Explain it with other words.
Like how?
For example, if you forget cook, you can say, I make food.
That's smart.
Communication is more important than perfect vocabulary.
I wish I knew this earlier.
You know it now, and that's what matters.
Should I practice my routine every day?
Yes, even for 5 minutes.
Alone or with someone?
Both are good. You can talk to yourself or record your voice.
That sounds a little strange.
It works. Trust me.
Okay, I'll try.
Before we finish, can you tell me your full daily routine in short sentences?
Let me try. I wake up at 7. I check my phone. I brush my teeth and get dressed. I eat breakfast and drink coffee. I go to work at 9. I work until the afternoon. I feel tired, so I drink coffee. In the evening, I go home and relax. I watch TV or read. Then I go to bed.
That was amazing, Sophia.
Really?
Yes. Clear, simple, and natural.
I didn't freeze this time.
Because you believed you could do it.
Thank you, Jack. I feel more confident now.
You're welcome. Remember, your daily routine is your best English teacher.
I will remember that.